up, bro? Another weekend. Me F. Yo, what's up, bro? What's up? Another weekend. And here we are back. Bro, who is... Hold on. Who is this username, bro, with these GF level, bro? What? You are gay. Rohan, bro, we'll see. If condition will be true. What are you saying? Hi, bro, hi. The point is today we have kept some things online. If I lose rating today, welcome back. Vijit, thank you, bro. Welcome back to YouTube. Somebody will become gay. No, see, stay optimistic. Bro, we didn't even say hi each other and you guys have started like throwing in these random ass comments. You getting paid, bro? Paid by whom? Paid by whom? How have you all been, bro? It's been another week. How has life been? I've quite a few things to tell you. क्या मजबूरी होगी उस इंसान की जो हर वीकेंड रेटिंग कम करने आ जाता है? Okay. I mean, yeah. Come on, bro. I'm here, bro. If you're ready to be... Oh! Bro, just forget about the title ones. Are you guys stupid? Hi, Sweer. I'm gonna outrank you today. Ashu, bro. I can't even fight, bro, at this point. You might as well be better than me today. Should I wear cap or no cap, bro? Paid by UT? YT? Yes, they do. I mean, I can't redeem anything as of right now. Hold on. I can't redeem anything as of right now. But they do pay me. Be ready to... Everybody's talking about the title. You guys are stupid. That's just it. Your hairline is recovering? Is it? Bro, it is not. It is not. I applied shampoo yesterday, so that's why it looks so dense. But trust me, it is not. You see that? It is not, bro. No, bro, today you're... Shaitan, my brother. I love you, brother. Shaitan, bro. Believe this when I say this. I love you, bro. Thank you. No, bro, today you're going to gain rating. Thank you, bro. All the best. Thank you. But I have quite a few things to tell you and show you guys. The first and the foremost important thing. Foremost important thing that I should be showing you. Hold on. Just a second. We still have... Bro, we don't have time. I should start streaming a bit early before the contest. Look at what the hell did we get. Look at what the hell did we get. Look at this bad boy, bro. Hold on, let me share my screen. Let me share my screen, bro. Look at this bad boy. It's loading. It's loading. Here it is, bro. Here it is. Look at this bad boy. If you can't see it, let me make it clear. We have bought Claude Pro. The vibe coding is about to be insane now, bro. I was thinking about it since so long. At this point, I just bought it. At this point, total. Wait, I didn't even see this. Peak hour 1 AM, longest streak 1 day. Oh, it tells you about. You've used 9x more tokens than the Little Prince. Who is the Little Prince, bro? Who is the Little Prince? Favorite model Sonnet 5. I just got it yesterday. So I haven't even used it properly. I've just used Sonnet 5, bro. I can use Fable, which I definitely will not. 347 messages. I can send 347 messages. What? 347. Bro, this is weird. I didn't even look at it. But yes, bro. We have got Claude. Because I need to work on it. Richie Rich. Yeah. Okay, bro. Okay. LeetCode contest, bro. Oh shit. The contest is about to start. Let me close the extra tabs. Hold on. Because I'm vibe. See, I was doing this question. I'm getting a TLE. Okay. We need to talk about that too. Close everything. And let's just focus on the contest. The contest is going to start in 40 seconds. Stop this podcast music. Stop this podcast music, bro. Verify? Bro, have I not verified my phone already? Bro. Register. Stupid ass LeetCode. Stupid ass platform, bro. Okay, bro. Good luck to everybody. I hope the title is false. I hope the title is false, bro. 10 seconds. Let's go, bro. Good luck to everybody. Bro got depressing about reading and choose to get one. What is bro yapping? Good luck, bro. Good luck. Let's hope. Let's hope. Continue, dumb fucking ass. The contest is not even started. It's not been 5 seconds. Unique middle element. Think about the question. Try to guess the question from its name, bro. 404 not found. Thank you. Surprise, surprise. Who expected this? Who expected rate limiting in a bi-weekly contest? Damn, how can that even happen? My screen is blurred, right? Yep. Oh, it loaded. So the second question directly, you're given an integer array, a pair of integers. If j minus I is greater than k, return the maximum value of among all valid pairs. Oh, okay. I less than j equals to I plus I. Wait, is that it? Is this question that's it? Hold on. J should be greater than I. Bro, it's loading. Okay, let's look at that. You given an integer array of odd length. Return true if the middle element of number appears exactly once in the array of odd length. Odd length मतलब 0 1 2. 2 का हाफ होता है 1. जैसे 5 है, 5 would be 4. 5 इंडेक्स 4 होगा, उसका हाफ होगा 2. 0 1 2 3 4. Yes. Return true if middle element appears exactly 1. 13 and 14. 13 and 14. There's no way. J is I plus k. Yeah. Of course, there can be nothing wrong here. What am I thinking? There can be nothing wrong here, bro. I, if I get a wrong attempt, I'm gay, bro. I say it. I said it. Yeah, it's loading. It's loading. Okay. In here, I can't. Okay, let's look at the third question then. The first two questions are a joke today. No, let me be. Bro, I just heard the far sound, bro. Hold on, I just heard the far sound. Time limit. Holy bro, that, it's the length. Why the hell would I not see the constraints before submitting, bro? Unknown network error. I'm already fucked, bro. I lost rating. Is valid. Return the maximum value of numzi amongst all valid pairs. Can't be doing that. Less than n minus one. Okay. True. False. Okay. Let me submit this. This cannot be. This cannot be wrong. Unknown network error. Oh, bro. Okay. So we can't do n square here. One way to do this is to save maximum element till. Yes. Okay. 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 Current I equals to vector int max. It's going to give us size 1. Initially, everything would be. Number goes to the gap. Uh, temp equals to max between nums I, comma. Why the hell did I not see the constraints? Temp equals to max between nums I, and I'm mad at myself. And temp, and you can say max of I equals to temp. Right. Now what you do is current I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, int next equals to I plus k. If I plus k is less than n, then answer equals to max between answer, comma, arr nums I plus max. Yes, max till that index, right? Max till next. Return answer. This should work. Show me my result. Minimum operation should. Bro, is that a DP question? 14, 13. Yo, I might still get a wrong answer. Let me try a few test cases of mine. 1, 2, 1. N is. Okay, the third question. Fair. But I didn't see the constraints. I'm sorry, bro. Should I just submit it? I don't care, bro. I don't care. This can't be wrong. 1 is not a valid type of integer. Okay, dumbass. Yes, I'm getting 13 and 14, right? That is enough to prove that my approach is correct. Dumb fucking ass. I didn't even see the test result. Yes, 13, 14, and 3. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Bro. Okay. Minimum operations to transform binary string. You're given, you can perform the choose an index I such that si is 0, change it to 1. Choose an index I such that, of course, and both si is change both characters to 0, return the minimum to make. Okay. So we can only change S1. We want to convert S1 to S2. In one operation, you can make any index 0. Okay. Okay. So make S1 to S2. Choose any car in change any car in S1 to 0 and choose any index such that both Si and S plus 1 are 1. Change both characters to 0 or choose 0 0 to make 1 1 to make 0 0. So you can just add zeros to your answer. 0 1 becomes change index 0 from 1 1. Okay. Change. Acha, we can. Wait. Change index. Where's my chashma? Change index 0 and 1 from 1 to 0 0. So change index 0 from 0 to 1. So that 0 0 becomes 1 0. The first, choose an index I such that S1 I is 0 and change it to 1. Oh, acha, choose any car in S. Operations. You can make 0 to 1 or 1 1 to 0 0. Okay, okay. Alright. So in here you can say अगर आपको 1 बनाना है तो ठीक है, 0 बनाना है तो आपको ओके. Stupid ass question. Match anyone? Single operation. Yes, match any 0 तो उस नंबर के आगे और पीछे भी 0 बनाओ and then match भी 1 बनाओ, then swap both to 0, then swap extra back to 1. So 3 operations. 3 operations. In here we can see 0 को 1 बनाना है, which is simply 1 operation. लेकिन आपको 1 को 0 बनाना है ना, तो उसके पीछे वाले को भी 1 बनाया, फिर उसे दोनों को स्वैप करके 0 बना दिया उससे. अच्छा, ठीक है, ठीक है. We need cases in here, bro. It's time to open Xcali. What the hell am I searching? Okay. Why do we still have? I need to zoom in. Let's say 0 1 0 1 0 0 1, and you want to make it to, let's say, 1 1 0 1 1 0 0. Now you have to see 0 से 1 का transition is easy, 1 से 0 वाला is tough. And it's 10 to the power of 5. I feel like I'm gonna get fucked again today, bro. 0 से 1 is easy. That's just single. Okay, अगर आपको 1 से 0 बनाना है ना, 1 से 0 बनाना है, तो आप ऐसे नहीं बना सकते. आपको इसको भी 1 1 0 0 back to 0 ऐसे जाएगा. Yes. Okay. So up in here, you just find out the mismatches first. So I don't know what am I doing, bro. Is this DP or is this like greedy or whatever? I don't think so. This is DP, bro. यहाँ mismatch है and यहाँ mismatch है. Now -1 का केस कहाँ आएगा? -1 का केस वहाँ है. 1 1 को 0 0 बना सकते, फिर उसको कुछ भी कन्वर्ट कर सकते. आई थिंक -1 का केस एक ही है. वन है और मान लो पीछे 0 है, इसको आपको 0 0 में करना है, तो आप इसे 1 1 में कर दोगे, फिर उसे 0 0 हो जाएगा, विच इज फेयर. वो उसके आगे वाला देख लो आप. यस. अब जैसे 0 को 1 बनाना है, दिस इज क्लियर. दिस इज 0 को 1 बनाना है, दिस इज क्लियर. अब इसके केस में आपको 0 1 को अगर आपको 0 0 बनाना है, तो दैट 0 0 बनाना है, तो दैट मीन्स इसको 1 1 करो, फिर उसको 0 0 करो. First, I think we should be solving every one cases. Just solve every one case from the left. I think so. Nahin, but the point. Damn. Okay. I don't think so. Do we have to use DP in here though? And I don't see when does it even become -1. This is an obvious -1 because the length is 1. Besides that, I don't think so there is a -1 case. If it is impossible, it is possible, I feel like, in every case. So whenever there is a mismatch, yes, the point to think about is, अब मान लो 0 को आपको 1 को आपको 0 बनाना है, 1 को आपको 0 बनाना है, उसके पीछे भी एक आपको 1 को 0 बनाना है, उसके आगे एक 0 को 1 बनाना है. Which one would you actually choose for this? अब 1 1 को 0 0 ले सकते हैं. ओके. वैसे तो हम चाहेंगे भी नेवर टेक अ सिंपल एलिमेंट. ओके. सी दैट्स. राइट. सो इट्स ऑल अबाउट, जब आपका 1 का मिसमैच है तो आप लेफ्ट राइट में से कौन सा एलिमेंट उठाओगे. अगर लेफ्ट नहीं है तो राइट ही उठाओगे ऑब्वियसली. लेकिन अगर दोनों तरफ मिसमैच है तो ऑलवेज पिक 1 वाला मिसमैच. ठीक है. 1 वाला मिसमैच. एल्स देयर इज नो वे. 1 0 को 0 1 बनाना है, मान लेते हैं अगर 1 0 को अगर आप 0 1 बनाना है, so you will make it 1 1 0 0 and then 0 1. ये आपके 3 स्टेप्स हो जाएंगे. यस. और क्या ही हो सकता है. नथिंग. आई. So why is my laptop heating up, bro? So try to solve every one mismatch first. Bro, I still don't think so if this would work. Because let's say अगर हमें 1 0 था, इसे हमें 0 0 करना है. So you make this 1 1 and then you make this 0 0. That is 2 operations. When there is no clash. When there is no clash. And 1 1 को अगर आपको 1 1 को अगर आपको मान लेते हैं 0 1 करना है. So you make it 0 0. Two operations. Hold on. So 1 वाला always gets just 2 operations. 0 1 को 1 0 करना है. One one 0 0. Okay, I think it's just cases at this point. Yes, it is just cases at this point. It is just cases, right? Because अगर हम देखें हमारे 2 डिजिट में कितने नंबर हो सकते हैं. 0 को 1 बनाना है, दैट इज इजी. 1 को 0 बनाना है. 1 0 0 1. अब आप 1 0 को you can either, bro, am I doomed? How many people did this, bro? Am I doomed? 5k 400. Okay, not many people did it. Not many, which is fair. What is my rank, honestly, if I look at it? Okay, so 1 0 को अगर आप 0 1 बना सकते हो एंड 0 0 बना सकते हो, है ना. हम ये मिसमैचेस के केस देख रहे हैं भाई. मिसमैचेस के केस देख रहे हैं. नाउ इफ यू हैव 0 1, then you can make it either 1 0 or 0 0. To make 0 1 to 1 0, 0 1 to 1 0 is 3. To make 0 1 to 0 0, that's 2. बाकी आपके 1 1 वाले केस को अगर आपको 0 0 करना है तो आपका एक आएगा। 1 1 वाले को अगर आपको मान लेते हैं 0 1 करना है तो आपके कितने आएंगे? 1 1 को आपको 0 0 0 1 बनाना है, 0 0 1 तो आपके दो आएंगे। आई थिंक द जनरल फॉर्मूला इज 3 वाला केस मैंने कहीं नहीं देखा था ना। हाँ। जीरो के मिसमैचेस कैन बी सॉल्व, वो तो एक ही बारी में होता है, ठीक है। व्हाट वी कैन डू इज जब वन के मिसमैच हम टू रिटर्न द मिनिमम ऑफ नंबर ऑफ ऑपरेशन, जब हम वन के मिसमैच सॉल्व कर रहे हो तब ही बाकी के मिसमैच भी सॉल्व हो जाए, राइट। दैट्स व्हाई आई डोंट नो इफ दिस इज डीपी ब्रो, टोटल एक्सेप्टेड। डैम, एवरीबॉडी हैज गॉट रॉन्ग आंसर्स ऑन दिस। जब आपका वन मिसमैच हो रहा है, सो लेट्स जस्ट राइट केसेस। वन को आपको जीरो ही बनाना है, वन को आपको जीरो ही बनाना है। अब इसके केस में एक एक केस ऐसा लेते हैं कि आपका दूसरा भी मिसमैच ही है, दूसरा भी मिसमैच ही है, तो उसके केस में ये वन ऑपरेशंस, ठीक है। अगर आपका दूसरा मिसमैच नहीं है, दूसरा मिसमैच नहीं है विच मीन्स इट इज ऑलरेडी करेक्ट। जैसे 1 1 को 1 0 बनाना है तो 0 0 तो आपके आएंगे टू ऑपरेशंस, ठीक है। लेफ्ट में 1 का मिसमैच है, ठीक है। अगर लेफ्ट में ओके ओके लेफ्ट में 0 का मिसमैच हो सकता है कि लेफ्ट में 0 है और वो मिसमैच है, उसे 1 बनाना है। तो आपका हमने यहाँ पे देख लिया 1 1 0 0 1 0, हाँ तो ये आपके 3 आ जाएगा, which is definitely not feasible. Okay. Get on my key, Wu-Shang Clan. Wu-Shang Clan. Hold on. Hold on. और लेफ्ट में अगर मिसमैच नहीं है, if there is no mismatch in left for zero, और जीरो कोई मिसमैच नहीं है, मतलब जीरो को जीरो ही रखना है, लेकिन वन को आपको जीरो बना देना है, तो आपके टू ऑपरेशंस, ठीक है। तो द लीस्ट आइडियल इज 0 1 का 1 0, 1 1 को 1 0, 1 1 को 0 0, दैट इज द लीस्ट आइडियल। अब ऐसे ही ये राइट में केसेस देखें, अगर अपना ये वाला वन फिक्स था, इस वन को अगर आपको जीरो बनाना है, ठीक है। अगर वो ही वैसे ही केसेस आप राइट में देखो, आई थिंक देन वी कैन जस्ट चूज द बेस्ट केसेस ब्रो। Bro, am I stupid? अगर अब इसके राइट में देर कैन बी वन का मिसमैच, इसके राइट में जीरो का मिसमैच, वन का मैच, होल्ड ऑन ब्रो, होल्ड ऑन। अब अगर आपको क्या करना है, दोनों ही मिसमैच है तो 0 0 करना है। 1 1 का 0 0 वी हैव ऑलरेडी सीन, इट टेक्स वन स्टेप। 1 1 का अगर आपको पहला नंबर तो आपका हमेशा 0 होगा, 1 1 को अगर 0 1 ही रखना है, 1 1 को 0 1 ही रखना है, देन दो ऑपरेशन 0 0, हाँ दो ऑपरेशन 1 0 को 0 1 बनाना है, तो ये पहले बनेगा 1 को 0 बनाना है ना, हाँ। तो सबसे पहले 1 1 करोगे, फिर 1 1, 0 0 3 operations and then 1 0 को 0 0 बनाना है 1 0 को 0 0 बनाना है ओके आई थिंक वी फिगर्ड आउट ऑल द केसेस 1 0 को अगर आपको 0 0 बनाना है तो पहले 1 1 0 0 2 operations okay so we have figured out all the cases मैच वाले मिसमैच वाले 1 के लेफ्ट में भी मिसमैच है और राइट में भी मिसमैच है so basically yes these are all the cases bro these are all the cases these are all the cases है ना कि अगर और हम शुरू में सिर्फ 1 के मिसमैचेस देख रहे हैं yes अब how do I translate this hold on ये वाला 1 फिक्स था hold on how do I erase this bro should this be able to solve this bro I just can't think of why would we need DP here bro or maybe I'm just dumb as fuck ये वाला 1 फिक्स्ड है ओके 1 के लेफ्ट और राइट में सेम है लेफ्ट और राइट में कॉन्फ्लिक्टिंग 1 है सो यू कैन चूज एनी 1 के अगर लेफ्ट और राइट में अच्छा so for every one change try to choose conflicting left right one try to choose conflicting try to choose correct left right one okay try to choose bro I'm not keeping into account wait did I just fuck up bro hold on what if we have more numbers जैसे ये 0 was correct right 0 was correct इसको आपको यहाँ पे what how many people solved this 1.3k should I just do DP bro what the fuck am I doing yes okay so maybe जैसे यहाँ पे ये 1 है और यहाँ पे ये 0 है अब मान लेते हैं yes or maybe this would still work bro just maybe I'm just trying to see if we can combine two bullshit 0 1 0 को अगर मान लो 0 1 0 को 1 0 1 बनाना है तो इसके 3 इसका एक 4 if I let's say return minus 1 अगर मेरे को bro these guys won't show the expected answers they are so bro fuck leetcode bro अगर ऐसे हुआ 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 so basically the point I'm trying to make is जब ये 1 0 बनेगा 1 1 bro they don't show expected answers these guys are trash they don't show expected answer bro I think it might just be DP then I'm just writing cases like a dumbass it's not greedy or anything 1.5k people out of 5,000 submissions. Damn, this question is tough. At every position, when there is a mismatch, but C 10 raised to 5. What if we do like tabulation DP? If they match, then all good. If they don't, the point is you can. Which is 1 month. Yes. अब इसके केस में आई वांट टू सी व्हाट इज द जैसे 1 0 को हम सबसे पहले 1 1 करेंगे, इसकी वजह से वो 0 0 हो जाएगा, फिर हम इसको 1 कर देंगे. दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव 3 steps. 3 steps. राइट. अब ये दोनों करेक्ट है. These both are correct. I don't know, bro. I'm just trying to. Okay, let's just go with it. Maybe I'll get to know. Yes, let me just try solving the way I was thinking. ठीक है, so our priority is try to choose conflicting left right 1. ठीक है, try to choose conflicting left right 2. Conflicting left, correct left right 1. Try to choose correct left right 0. Choose the left right conflicting 0. Left right 0. Yes, +1, this would do +1, this would do +2, this would do +2. I don't think so, it's greedy, bro. I don't know what the fuck am I doing. These assholes have not given us any. Maybe then let's just. Can I eat like clam? Okay. Bro, my laptop is heating up like crazy. Maybe this mic just is DP, bro. To make 1 0, it depends on the left and right point. I'm thinking that rather than doing dynamic programming left or right may. I don't know, bro. सबसे पहले वेक्टर बूल conflicting int n equals to s1 dot size s1 dot length. I don't know if this is going to work, bro. I'm really not confident. I less than n I plus plus. Hold on, I need to cross this. I plus plus if s1 I not equals to s2 I conflicting okay okay. तो अब जब भी for every conflicting one, try to choose conflicting left right 1. Try to choose For int I equals to n minus 1, I greater than equals to 0, I minus minus. If conflicting है of I and there are not a S1 को 0 बनाना है ना आपको बेसिकली हाँ S1 equals to 0 ठीक है देन हम देखेंगे लेफ्ट राइट कॉन्फ्लिक्टिंग 1 bro let me just write this as a function string and s1 string and s2 int ptr vector bool conflicting now I'll only give this for 1 0 to 1 बनाना है 0 to 1 नहीं बनाना है बेवकूफ 1 to 0 बनाना है ठीक है 1 to 0 बनाना है if there are few cases bro we just need to write these cases bro what the fuck is this okay if what if you dumbass if s1 ptr okay okay if we can say ptr minus 1 is greater than equals to 0 and uh, con and s1 of ptr minus 1 equals to 0 को 1 बनाना है ना equals to 1 and conflicting of ptr minus 1 ठीक है अगर ये ट्रू है left right conflicting 1 or same shit bro but just for ptr plus 1 I'm 100% sure this is not how this question would be done less than m return 1 एक ही लगेगा और कॉन्फ्लिक्टिंग वाला भी ना आप चेंज करोगे फिर ओह ओके आप कॉन्फ्लिक्टिंग वाला भी यहीं से चेंज कर लो Bro, this question is so stupid. ओके इसमें आप सबसे पहले कॉन्फ्लिक्टिंग चेंज करोगे बिफोर रिटर्निंग conflicting of ptr minus 1 equals to false same shit bro ptr plus 1 equals to false although it really won't be ptr plus 1 if it yeah let's just still do it लेकिन हम लेफ्ट टू राइट जा रहे हैं तो वो राइट के 1 को क्यों मिस कर देगा करेक्ट लेफ्ट राइट कॉन्फ्लिक्टिंग 1 अगली कंडीशन क्या है लेफ्ट राइट करेक्ट लेफ्ट राइट 1 left right conflicting one, left right. I think left right conflicting 0 भी it returns nothing, right? Yes, left right conflicting 0 ले लो. Sorry, left right correct 0, correct 1. तो उसके केस में रिटर्न 2 करेगा. ठीक है. नाउ अब आएगा लेफ्ट राइट करेक्ट 0, तो भी ये वो ही करेगा लेफ्ट राइट करेक्ट 0 और लेफ्ट राइट कॉन्फ्लिक्टिंग 0 है ना. ये अपनी सबसे मिनिमल कंडीशन है. पॉइंटर -1 and conflicting 0 and conflicting equals to true. ठीक है, तब ये अपना रिटर्न 3 होएगा. रिटर्न 3 अगर इसके बाहर कुछ आया, सो लेट्स जस्ट ऐड return minus int min. ओके, देन वील नो कि हमारी इसके बाहर जैसे जाना तो नहीं चाहिए. ठीक है, ठीक है. अगर 1 है कॉन्फ्लिक्टिंग 1 है, देन int to add equals to function of your s1 s1 चाहिए, s2 चाहिए, पॉइंटर चाहिए, i चाहिए और आपको कॉन्फ्लिक्टिंग चाहिए. ठीक है, और आप कर दोगे आंसर प्लस इक्वल्स टू ऐड. ठीक है, इन दी एंड नाउ यू जस्ट डू कॉन्फ्लिक्टिंग जीरोस, राइट. s1 I equals to 0 and conflicting I, then bro, I don't know if this is work, bro. What is this saying, bro? What is this saying? Expected member name? What is this bullshit saying, bro? Equals to true at line 33. Oh, my bad. Shit. Okay, hold on. What is the issue? 64. Oh, the fuck कैसे आ गया? अच्छा, अबे यार ये 1 वाला केस तो if n equals to 1 and just write a case if s1 equals to 0 and then s2 equals to 1, 0 को 1 बनाना है तो you return 1 if s1 equals to 1 and s2 equals to 0. ठीक है. Now let's see. इसके केस में 1 आ रहा है, सेकंड केस में 3 आ रहा है, थर्ड केस में -1, फोर्थ के केस में 4 आ रहा है. See, now I don't even know if my logic is working because at this point it's basically I've just hard coded the cases. Let's hope this works. I need to submit this. This would not, of course. Bro, come on, Chad, hold on, bro. After 1,000 years, where is mine? Hold on. Bro, I wanna see people in the chat, bro. I wanna see people in the chat. Damn, yes, sir, bro. Today you will not be here as Internet Hub is down, bro. Shut the hell up. Shut the hell up, bro. Shut the hell up. Stir freaking how? Oh my god, bro. People have been bro. You know what? Let me just play the music, bro. Let me just play the music. Let me just in the goddamn attempt, bro. When I say this, in the first goddamn attempt, bro. What do you call it? What do you call it? Blast my ears. Blast my ears.
Coffee stains and imitates. I am such a loner. San Francisco bases got me slowly taking over. I can't wait to show you that I'm gonna take it over. Leetcode, beast mode, 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 leetcode, beast mode. This is not a Minecraft, really I'm a coder. Coffee stains and imitates. I am such a loner. San Francisco bases got me slowly taking over. I can't wait to show you that I'm gonna take it over. Leetcode, beast mode, 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 leetcode, beast mode.
What a beautiful song. What a beautiful song. A beautiful day. Congratulations, bro. Peace mode. Yo, Nayan, bro. What's up? What's up? What is LeetCode even about, bro? Chill out, bro. Chill out. Bro really did it? I did. Yo. Hold on, bro. Where are those people who laugh at me at every goddamn contest, bro? This asshole that I am. I've been practicing, bro. Bro loves everything, but what about hairline? Yeah, just when I'm happy, just when I'm in a good mood, he starts talking about my hairline, bro. He starts talking about my hairline just because I'm happy. Just because I'm happy. Just because I'm happy. See the rank 1 in this contest? Of course he's a cheater, bro. But guess what, bro? I can't lie, bro. These past few contests have been so goddamn depressed. Today we finally did the third question in the first attempt and it was definitely not an easy question, bro. I'm happy for you, my G. Tell us the approach, bro. It's not DP. That's what I was doubting at the very first. That is it DP, but it's not. It's actually just greedy. Let me be honest. It's greedy, bro. Damn nice move, bro. Yo, thanks, bro. See the rank first. How to improve English? Bro, I don't know. Maybe watch English movies. Yo, bro. Where the fuck? Bro, I'm so happy today. Should we look at the fourth question? Nah, that's too much, bro. That's too much. Nah, that's too much, bro. If we look at the fourth question, then it's a bit disrespectful for LeetCode. Because we are not built yet for solving the fourth question. Let's look at our rank. 3-7. The fact that I could have avoided this TLE if I was not stupid. I could have avoided this TLE if I was not stupid. Yeah, never mind, bro. 302 all kill. The rank 1 Snapdragon. Hold on. IOI gold medalist. Code Forces legendary. Code Forces legendary Grandmaster. Bro, is this... Bro. Hold on, follow him, bro. Netflix, he's a machine learning engineer. He studied at MIT. What? Bro, he's a candidate master and he's saying goddamn legend. I mean, never mind, bro. That is still an insane rating. But legendary grandmaster. What is the maximum rating, bro? 3.7 is the maximum rating. And this guy is saying his peak was 3700. It doesn't make sense, bro. The maximum rating, Jiang Li is maximum rated at 3700, bro. This guy is saying he was also 3700. Crazy, bro, but yeah. Guess what, bro? Puri still straight. Let's go, bro. Let's go, bro. What was your second approach? I used tree. Said nah, bro. Just use a. No, I can't say it, bro. I can't say it, bro. Because then it's going to solve. It would be like cheating. You liking his moves? Come on, bro. Come on. We are still straight, bro. We are not gay. We are still straight. We are still straight, bro. Response. What is Tela codes? How to resolve login issue? What is Tela pasting, bro? No, all-time maximum rating is 4K plus. Yeah. GG's dude, I stumbled upon your channel yesterday and instantly stopped. I got first to right. I thinking I should go for third as well. Come on, bro. Go for it then. Who's stopping you? Barnak Kundu, bro. Go for you. Happy for you, not joking. My brother. Thank you, Sinister. My brother. Thank you so much. I'm also happy. Life is happy. Life is good. Everything is good, bro. Just see how much leetcode influences my, how much leetcode influences my mood, bro. Just because I could solve the third question with no penalty, I'm so happy today, bro. Third nahi ho raha. Yo, I have to be humble. I can't be flying. Okay, I did. Maybe. Yeah. Okay. Now explain how did you solve second question after the contest, bro. We can't explain it during the contest, bro. We can't explain it during the contest.
This is not a main thing, really I'm a coder. Call these names and name my chains, I am such a loner. San Francisco bases got me slowly taking over. I can't wait to show you that I'm gonna take it over.
James, bro. Thanks for feeding a song like this.
Beast mode, leetcode, 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 beast mode.
Remember your promise, okay? Okay, after this song.
Coffee stains and in my chains, I am such a loner. San Francisco bases got me slowly taking over. I can't wait to show you that I'm gonna take it over. Leetcode, beast mode, leetcode,
okay, bro. Love you song. If you lost trading, I would ask you for a date, bro. Chill out, bro. Chill out, bro. I don't swing that way. I don't swing that way. I literally hard-coded third and it worked. Guess what, bro? If it works, it works. It works, it works. Just started leetcode by seeing your latest video, bro. Please drop some words of wisdom for me. Almost 10 days consistent. Thank you, brother. What a beautiful time to introduce to something that I'm using Claude to white code, bro. What a beautiful time. Just because this guy asked, let me just show you. Let me just show you, bro. My screen is visible, right? Hold on. Just a second, bro. Hold on. So, yeah, it's all about staying consistent. Whoever the person was who asked, it's all about staying consistent. But I think now, okay, let me give a quick disclaimer. Why am I? If you guys have seen my old videos, you can see that I've shown this project before too, but then I gave up on it. But now I think it's pretty needed. This isn't anything crazy. This is just a daily journal that I would be filling. I don't know about you guys. I think you guys should do too. But I would be filling this daily journal, wherein what the idea is, at the end of every day, you take out just 5 minutes to rate your entire day based on your productivity, and you type out 3 to 4 sentences over what happened in your day. Was it good or bad? Basically, explain the rating of your day. And let me just show you why am I yapping. So it's all about your daily life score, which will see this is all vibe coded, of course. I'm not coding this by hand, but my main aim is, since I have a strength in staying consistent, why don't I stay consistent in basically documenting my each and every day? So if I show you the dashboard, see, I started building this project, I guess, in March. That's why I've logged in an entry for March. An entry looks like just this. This is your daily rating. It was a 7 out of 10 day. Yeah, I've written a stupid note. I don't know. I ate Subway paneer tikka and whatever. But I will this week. Let's look at the rating for yesterday. It was a 7 out of 10 day. Office was super hectic, had chicken pasta, DSA question at 2 a.m. Finally got Claude Pro. Okay. So the main thing that I still need to add in this daily logger, we both will be filling it every day. And after every week, we will be reviewing each other's profiles, each other's week, bro. Like this week, I just logged yesterday. So when I stream on weekends, I look at your guys' profiles, that how was your week, you look at mine, and we all grow together, bro. We review each other's progress, bro. And in the end, if we stay consistent, imagine an entire year of colorful cells, and you click on any day and you can see what you did on that day, bro. What you did on that day. Does that make sense, or am I yapping too much, bro? Someone how to do third greedily? It is. Bro, wanna stock? That's the... Bro, come on. You don't have to enter your personal information. You don't have to enter your... Root fourth is easier than third? Do an all kill? What? Hold on. Fourth is easier than third? You're given 3 distinct words. Your task is to count the number of ways. Bro, somebody said fourth is easier than third. Your task is to count the number of ways to form target by choosing characters from word 1. And for each character of target, choose one matching word. Then choose indices. At least one character must be chosen to form target. Okay. For each character of target, choose one matching character from. Chosen indices from word 1 must be strictly increasing. What's the length here? It's 100. For choose one matching characters, the chosen indices from word 1 must be strictly increased. For word 2, at least one character must be chosen from both word 1. Two ways are considered different if at least one position in target, the chosen character comes from a different string or a different index. आपको ABC बनाना है from ABC BAC. 1 1 2 1. Acha. Okay, so if we type out what this question means, so for every position, chat, this is DP, bro. This is DP. Okay. Why did I do that? What? Okay. So for every position, I think this is just DP. You maintain DP of PTR. DP of PTR of target, DP of PTR of S1 and PTR of S2. So now what this means is this means number of ways to make target till PTR T target till pt. I think it's a 3ddp wherein you have the pointer of your current string and pointer of s1 and s2. Yes, I don't know, bro. Number of ways to make target till pt with using s1 till its ptr and s2 till its ptr. Okay, so for a new new ptr t, so for a new ptr t, you can so for a new ptr t you can go from, but you, how would you get to know if a string has not even been used, not even been used? जीरो के आगे से कोई भी ले सकते, जीरो से, हाँ, ठीक है. So you can go from ptr s1 to its end to its end. Yes, this basically tells us यहाँ तक जो आपने स्ट्रिंग मैच करी है उसमें ptr1 कहाँ तक यूज करा है और ptr मतलब s1 कहाँ तक यूज करा है, s2 कहाँ तक यूज करा है. I I don't know if this would work. Int n equals to, they are, wait, they are the same size? No, they are not. Int n equals to uh, p q n or n1 n2 n3. Int n1 equals to word target dot length, bro. uh, nt means n of your target, n1 equals to word1 dot length, n2 equals to word2 dot length. Okay, now you make a vector of vector of vector of int, and this would be your dp. It would be nt comma vector of int, vector of int. This would be of n1 vector of int. This would be of n2. Initially everything would be, number of ways would be 0. Number of ways would be 0. नाउ सबसे पहले आपको बेस कंडीशन फिल करनी पड़ेगी. n1 n2. सबसे पहले बेस कंडीशन, find the first car of target in word 1 and word 2 and update dp. So for car c of your word 1, if c equals to target 0, bro, you also need index, hold on, I less than n1, I plus plus, if word 1 I equals to target, then आप कह सकते हो dp of आपने 0 तक बना लिया, word 1 यूज करा है आपने I तक. तो hold on, आपने अगर ये 0 तक यूज करा है, अच्छा ओके ओके ओके, इसको ना आप n1+1 ले लो, n1+1 ले लो। ptr1 tells us word1 कहाँ से यूज कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। वैसे ही word2 कहाँ से यूज, i+1 के आगे से यूज कर सकते हो आप, ठीक है, क्योंकि आपने i तक यूज कर लिया। अब अगला स्ट्रिक्टली इंक्रीजिंग, और आपका, हाँ, वो तो आप जीरो से यूज कर सकते हो, प्लस प्लस, ठीक है। अब सेम शिट वुड बी फॉर वर्ड टू। आई डोंट नो व्हाट एम आई डूइंग। फॉर I लेस देन into, if word to I, then dp इसका होगा जीरो। अब आपने वर्ड टू यूज करा है, आपने I तक यूज कर लिया, तो i+1 के आगे आप कुछ भी यूज कर सकते हो, ठीक है। दिस इज आवर बेस कंडीशन। दिस इज आवर बेस कंडीशन ब्रो। अब क्या होगा, अब यू ऑल्सो वांट टू नो हाउ मेनी टोटल वेज टू मेक dp जीरो। ठीक है, now when you are making target one, bro, it does it involve that prefix sum bullshit, bro? Does it involve that prefix sum? Yeah, it might just take me too much time, bro. It might just take me too much time. Hey, the screen is on blue, right? What do you mean? What do you mean? On blue? Blur, do you mean? भाई अब तो खर्चा कर दिया, लैपटॉप ले लिया, गेम खेलूं क्या? What? जिम भाई, इतना तो मैं भी समझ गया। टू राइट सॉल्यूशन, ओके ओके भाई, did 3, congratulations, congratulations. See, I might get a TLE, bro. I might get a TLE. Now, when you're making target 1, how many people solve this, bro? How many people solved this? 1.8k. What's my rank? 4k. Even after doing all this much, bro. Even after doing all this much, bro. Now, for int I equals to 1, I less than, let's say, nt, I plus plus. C equals to target I check that Karin S1 I less than N1 I plus plus, if word 1 I equals to C, अगर है ऐसा, तो dp of 0, then this answer would add all ways to make dp of 0 where Yeah, bro, it's going to involve prefix sum for optimization. If we, the way I'm doing it, if that is correct, then I would need to optimize it using prefix sum now. This is like that one question I've done it. Then this answer would add all ways to make DP 0 where uh, PTR S1 is less than equals to I. Bro, this is 100. I I equals to you can just say answer equals to V, na? Mm, nothing. Oh, this question ain't no easy, bro. Who said this is easy? Who said this is easy, bro? Purish, did you solve third? Brutal kill 7320. We did solve third, brother. We did solve third. We did solve third. If pointer equals to 0, answer plus equals to dp of uh, I minus 1. ठीक है, एक मिनट आपका, अरे बेवकूफ, आई माइनस 1, ठीक है, कि पिछले टारगेट के पिछले उसको प्लस but wait, this answer also has to be in, bro, no, because bro, this is, then you would have to save this answer. और आपका PTR1 फिक्स होगा और आपका PTR2 तो कहीं भी जा सकता है, ठीक है, you are saving that and answer percentage equals to mod, just do that. Nah bro, I don't think so I can solve this. It's a 3D DP with way too many, and in the end फिर अब आप ये स्टोर भी तो करोगे, ये आंसर आप कहाँ स्टोर करोगे? फॉर एवरी वैल्यू ऑफ pointer 2, for int pointer 2 equals to 0, pointer 2 is less than equals to less than equals to less than equals to n2, pointer 2 plus plus, you can say dp of current I, और आपका j के आगे से यूज कर सकते हो आप, j+1 j के आगे से यूज कर सकते हो, और पॉइंटर 2 आप डिसाइड कर रहे हो that car in S2, Okay, answer equals to I minus 1, pointer 1, pointer 2. Pointer 2 की जगह आप pointer 1 कर दो. Bro, I don't even know, bro. What am I doing? Pointer 1 and यहाँ पे आपका आएगा j plus 1. Now in the end क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं? क्या कीचड़ मचा दी? Now in the end choose all, add all answer for target n minus 1 where pointer 1 is greater than equals to 0 and pointer 2 is greater than equals to 0. So for int f answer equals to 0, for int pointer 1 is equals to 1 less than equals to n1, pointer 1 plus plus answer plus equals to dp of n minus 1 आपका fixed है. dp of n minus 1 nt minus 1 sorry nt minus 1 pointer 1 pointer 2 and then you also need to mod it. Bro, I don't know what am I doing, bro. At this point answer percentage equals to mod and in the end you return answer. Hashtag constant int mod equals to 1e9 plus 7. Alright, 1e9 plus 7. It is not even going to compile. Bro, I just what? Okay. Okay, looks like it did compile. 42, you dumb. 12. 24. I don't even know. I don't even know why is it duplicating. What 2 में आपने देखा अगर वो मैच कर रहा है तो आप क्या करोगे पिछले pointer 2 for n pointer 1 equals to 0 pointer 1 is less than equals to j plus 1 आपने pointer oh hold on ये I minus 1 होगा ना. Yes, this would be I minus 1. Did I not? Oh नहीं है I minus 1 थोड़ी होगा. This would be I. Yeah, I don't even know what I'm doing, but I'm still happy with today's performance, bro. 12:42. Yeah, I don't know what. 1. What? Yeah, maybe if we had more time, we could have solved it. But yeah, bro. That's it. Follow with Pratyush. We can. भाई लोग चेस छोड़ो भाई कितनी मेहनत कर रहा. What is Divakar Pathak saying? Dude, it's easy, you just messing up the implementation. The logic is straightforward. 4D or 5D DP, another 1 2 state to check if both used, that's it. I'm using 3D DP. I'm not using extra state to both use because do we need that? You got 6, I got plus 6 because you forgot one case. Okay, bro. Okay. Bro, fourth is brute force recursion. I don't know if I... You don't even need to check if I is greater than 0 and j equals to 0. We don't even need check if I is greater than 0, j equals to 0, return 1, L0. Yeah. Bro, but I can't solve it now. And plus I took hints from you guys. Now if I solve it, people are gonna say, oh, he cheated, he cheated. I'm not gonna take. Aapki baat kar raha. Bro, you are hardworking. Devakar Pathak, thank you, brother. Thank you. I'm not, but if you think so, thank you. Can anybody tell why greedy is working? Question 3 मैंने कर दिया, but I don't know why it's working. If it works, it works. You don't question it. Nah, bro. First all kill, but ChatGPT use करना पड़ा for debugging. Yo, that's not an all kill. Sorry, Amit, bro. That's not an all kill. Sorry, brother. That's not an all kill. As happy I was for you, but if you're using ChatGPT, you're not. Remember your promise, okay, bro. Okay, let's do LinkedIn profile review. Let's do LinkedIn profile review. And let's start with a person I personally know, bro. Nayan, bro, this is for you. LinkedIn, bro, I also have... I've Deloitte USI as a software SDE2. Vipul Rana, brother. Congratulations. I remember this guy used to come into my streams, bro. Congratulations, brother. Okay. Fair. Okay, Vipul. And also, if I've not replied to your message, I apologize from the bottom of my heart, bro. I'm just sorry, bro. I'm just sorry. Hold on. Let me just... Bro. Name, bro, what's your LinkedIn username? GPT को तो मैं उसका गोत्र पूछ लिया, अब रिस्पॉन्स नहीं दे रहा. Reduce Fable 5 as much as you can after July 7. You will not be able to get for pro plan. Bro, if see, if I use it, there are still weekly and session limits even on pro plan, bro. It doesn't mean I can use it unlimited. I'm just paying them 2,000 rupees a month. That doesn't buy me all compute power of this entire world, bro. You're gonna regret if you don't all kill. It's really easy, bro. If I do solve that, 1000% people are gonna leave comments. Oh, you took help from chat. Oh, you took help from chat. I just can't, bro. I can't. I still remember there's that one guy who always comes in my comment sections after 2-3 days of my streaming and leaves a comment. Again, Purish cheated. Again, Purish took help. That's why I've stopped looking at chat during contests, bro. Pro bhi bahut jaldi khatam hota hai. Limit if you not use wisely. Yeah, I'm gonna use it in office too, bro. Hold on, bro. Nayan, Ion. Bro, Nayan, bro, what's your LinkedIn profile? Nayan Katet. Bro, I can't find you, Nayan, bro. I can't find you. Why you turned out to be a goat? भाई आप तो goat निकले मेरे से एक ही हो पाया क्या करूँ bro? It's not that you just gotta stay consistent, bro. Done 3 questions, all skipped. Last question. Yeah, last question was stupid. Hold on. Bro, okay. वो दिन कब आएगा जब तीसरा क्वेश्चन बनने लगेगा? Soon, bro. Soon. Nayan Khatet. Okay. Chat, let's look at this. What? Nayan Khatet. Bro, okay, chat is moving. Nayan Khatet. How do you say it? Nayan Khatet. Okay. Damn, I'm not even connected to you on LinkedIn. Let's connect. Send without a node. The fuck do I review, Nayan, bro? There's nothing to see here. You've been freelance teacher since past 6 years. Okay, but what do I see in your LinkedIn profile, bro? Aspiring software developer, C++ Python. This guy works with me in my company and yet his LinkedIn is still aspiring freelance. Bro, come on. Man, bro, there's nothing to see here. What do you mean? Can you explain the approach for question 3rd? We can do that after this. I'm noob in dev, made my first project. Can you review and tell me what can I improve in that? Sure, bro. Sure. I can definitely do that. Chat, I think it was lucky because I wore my cap today. Let me fix my hair, bro. Hold on. Let me wait. Does that look good? Okay. Okay. Yeah. From where you got the internship, it was on campus, brother. It was on campus. Bro, how to improve to these, bro? Hell. How to improve in what? In DSA? In DSA? You're asking? I myself asked. Same on my shit as third solution. Shame on my shit as third solution? What? What? LOL? What are people? What is 9 AM games laughing at? Question third in DP. Yeah, I didn't do it DP, bro. I was talking about the fourth. Oh, bro. Shit. Oh, wait. Is the stream quality bad today? Because in the last garden stream that I did, I reduced the quality, bro. The quality might also be bad today. Damn. I can see the FPS. Shit, bro. What is the way to learn DSA as an extreme beginner? Yeah, just look at my streams, bro. I myself just started like a stupid guy. Find bug. Hi geeks, thanks for promising. Oh, this reminds me of the fact. Hold on, chat. Let's look at our sent mails. I sent a mail to leetcode, right? Okay. If you guys don't know, if you're new here, I sent a mail to leetcode. I think last week on June 20th. Okay. Stating the fact that I've been balding because of their platform and they are keeping their contests unrated, wherein I gained rating. They replied. Bro. Let's take a look at their reply. I wrote, "Hi, I've been lead coding since 1 year, grinded my ass to reach night, peaked at 1932 from back in 1800 and it's just worsening. After losing rating in 10 plus contests, you made it unrated. I gained rating, but you made it unrated. Please give my +4 rating or I will escalate, okay?" I also said for Worth It is another person who hops in our stream, Sarthak brother. Please look into this. Guess what's their support? Guess what they replied? "Thank you for reaching out. We are sorry to hear about your frustration. Yada yada yada. After reviewing the situation, we can confirm the contest was marked as unrated with our contest policy." But the fuck is your contest policy? "We apologize for any disappointment. We understand that even a small rating in can feel meaningful after a difficult stretch of contest, and we appreciate your passion for competitive programming on LeetCode. While we are unable, so they can't adjust my rating. We appreciate your feedback and will continue." Chat, should I ask for a merch? That give me a merch in reply. Balding sounds cool. Okay. AI generated. What do you mean AI generated? What do you mean AI generated, bro? This is literally my Gmail. Shaitan, bro, what are you talking about? This is literally my Gmail. ये तो AI generated है. Oh, their reply. Bro, what do I reply then? What do we reply? Do we reply or do we leave it? Do we have any meaningful reply to say or do we just leave it? You have sent me deployed link. Where? Discord? Where did you send it? Ended up not working. Why? Not sure, brother. Message request. Pradeep. Accept DM. The AI course generator. Let's take a look at this guy's copy message link. Copy link. AI course generator. AI powered course generation. From a single prompt to a complete learning roadmap, modules, learning session. Enter course name. Digit DP. Generate me a digit DP course. Please sign in. Okay, bro. Let me sign in. Would you steal my data? Would you steal my data, Pradeep, brother? Would you leak my private pictures or what? Okay, initializing structural pipelines. Damn, that sounds heavy, bro. That sounds heavy. It's using Gemini 3.5. Okay, let's wait for it to work. What, bro? Explain your solution, bro. Post stream. Jason, yeah. Why do you want to know about my solution now, bro? You're not laughing today? You're not laughing today? You're not laughing today, bro. Can you moan my name till then? What? Swam, are you mentally okay? Why do you want me to moan your name, bro? First of all, I don't moan. Second of all, what is this kink of getting another man moaning your name? Okay, it is still loading, bro. It's still loading. Where do you work? I work in ION. Can you explain the third one? The contest has ended. Okay, bro. Let's explain until that course is being generated. Chat, all it took was a little bit of brainstorming and I realized that it was greedy, not deep. Okay, let's explain. Let's close this. Let's go to Xcali. You just had to figure out these cases, bro. You just had to figure out these cases. I just figured out these cases. Now, the point was, what rules did you have? Okay, the rules that we had was you can convert any 0 to 1, but to convert 1 to 0, there was no direct rule. So that's why there were cases. The cases were these blue ones need to be converted to zeros, okay? Now, you can choose any number on its left, any number on its right. What is the case? If for this one you choose a left one, which is also wrong. Wrong means that this also needs to be turned to 0. Or if on its left you choose 1, which is correct, that means this needs to stay 1, right? But to convert this one to 0, you may use it. 2 means to convert 1 1 to 1 0, it takes 2 operations. Basically, just look at these 8 cases, and then these 8 cases form your priorities. That if there is a problematic one, this is a problematic one. Problematic one means which needs to be changed to 0. Okay, this needs to be changed to 0. Then you would always choose a problematic one on its left or right. Let me show my code, bro. Let me show my code. Hold on. Minimum operations to transform binary string. Yeah. So for every problematic one. Forget about zeros. We can solve zeros very easily. Just convert every 0 to 1 if there is a conflict. Right. For every problematic one, try to choose left or right conflicting one. Bro, I'm bad at explaining. Like, because if we choose 1 1 to 0 0, then it only takes one operation. Right. This is a problematic one. अगर सबसे पहली बात उसके लेफ्ट या राइट में एक और गलत वन दिख रहा है तो उसे चूज करो, वरना उसके लेफ्ट या राइट में एक सही वन दिख रहा है या सही 0 दिख रहा है तो उसे चूज करो, बिकॉज इट ओनली कंट्रीब्यूट्स 2 टू योर आंसर. वरना उसके लेफ्ट या राइट में एक गलत 0 ही मिलेगा, जिसे चूज करोगे तो आपका आंसर में +3 हो जाएगा. दैट्स इट. दैट वाज दिस एंटायर क्वेश्चन. यू कैन सी आई रोट द if conditions here, bro. Left right conflicting one, left right correct one, and all that. Right. I wrote this in here because you're looking at the C out. What the hell? This basically means these conditions should be exhaustive. If at all, if this C out is printed in any test case, that means मेरी conditions exhaustive नहीं है. That was just a check. Okay. ये edge cases थे, and we just go from right to left for every problematic one. Conflicting मतलब कि उसे change करना है और वो 1 है. हमने ये फंक्शन कॉल यूज कर लिया, आंसर में ऐड कर दिया, एंड दैट्स इट. और एंड में अगर कोई प्रॉब्लमेटिक 0 बने तो वी सॉल्व इट. दैट्स ऑल ब्रो. दैट वाज ऑल ब्रो. दैट वाज ऑल. All our stream began on. Yeah, bro, these people are crazy. Hey, you didn't give. Okay. Okay, I just brute forced the third problem today. It's my first time solving third. Congratulations, bro. Congratulations. I didn't get third one. Unfortunately, third one was easy, yes. Yeah, there's always that one asshole who'll be like, damn, this question was very easy. Damn, bro, let a man be happy. It might be easy for you. It might be easy for you, bro. Or simple, don't watch video, write all test cases and check. Third was honestly implementing the cases. बहुत ifs लग गए. Exactly. Fourth हुआ आपसे? Nah, bro, I did not. Bro, I just generated the same thing. Why it's not working on your laptop? I don't know, bro. I don't know. Cross origin policy opener. Failed to load, server responded, bruh. I'm not sure, bro. I'm not sure. That's how we solved it. Fourth DP, yes, fourth was DP. I was writing a DP solution. But yeah, look at my fourth answer. No, look at my fourth code, bro. Very bad. I know. Maybe if I devoted more time, I could have solved it. But answer galat aa rahe the. That's all. I figured third approach, but did Zor by doing binary operations? Binary operations? What the hell is bro doing? Congo for the rating game finally. Let's look at Entrant Hub today. Let's look at Entrant Hub with a broad chest, bro. Let's look at Entrant Hub. It is bi-weekly contest. Where is it? Wait. 7th June. Bro, Entrant Hub is not even showing today's contest. Weekly contest 509? Oh no. Bi-weekly contest. Okay. ये वाला है. Bro, it's not. Damn, Entrant Hub is not working. Lead code, rating predictor. Bro, Entrant Hub is not. What? Entrant Hub is not even working. Not working, bro. That's crazy. Okay, third was easy. Just fumble. Yeah, bro. It was just cases. It was just cases. I'm so happy, bro. Knapsack approach at LCS for fourth. I was doing DP, bro. I was doing DP. I don't know if that would work. I don't know why was mine not working. Yeah, look at my traps, bro. Look at my traps. Anyhow, second question, please. Okay, bro. My dumb, stupid ass wrote an n-square solution in second question without even seeing the constraints, bro. Else it was second question was super easy. I wrote an n-square solution without seeing the constraints. That's why I got a TLE. Let it load. I don't know why is it so slow, bro. Don't know why is it so slow. Show your rank. Mine 4K. Okay, brother. Let me show you my rank. Mine is 5K probably. 5, 6K. 7K. It cannot be worse than 7K, bro. It cannot be worse than 7K. Yeah, this is the second question, bro. Basically, maintain an array that tells you कि इस index के आगे क्या maximum element है. That is the simplest definition I can give. Maximum of I tells you कि original array में I index से लेके end index तक what is the maximum number. ठीक है? This is how I'm initializing the maximum array. और फिर in the end you can just do this basically transforms it from n square to n. Big O of n square to n. Now I just go हर index के लिए मैं देखूंगा कि maximum of I plus k. Bro, I can't explain. I'm bad at explaining. Just read the code. Nah, bro, 3-4k max. Nah, it might. Yeah, I see it's. Bro, 5k even after solving the third question, bro. Life is tough, bro. I might just gain +3 +4. I might just gain +3 +4. Watch me win. Let's watch this guy win, bro. Let's watch this guy win. +3 +4. Why are you blushing? Explain nicely. Bro, you come on. Who do you think you are? 9 games. Bro, I explained. I nearly did third but gave up. Could have solved my first third. Bro, that's why you should not give up. That's why you should not give up, bro. Bro, any idea about fourth? It is DP or DFS as Pradeep said. As Pradeep said, bro. DP or DFS. But today I feel like I might mog a few people, bro. Chat, do we do a mogul? Do we do a mogul? Look at my jawline. Do I have a good jawline? Show that project. Whose project, bro? Pradeep's project? I don't know if it's working. Yeah, it's not working. Initializing structural pipelines. Damn, that sounds heavy. Make it open source. Tell Pradeep, bro. I'm a beginner. What was your approach for second? I just explained it 5 minutes ago. Just go back 5 minutes ago. Just go back 5 minutes ago, bro. This is my first time giving a contest. Do these questions be published later to LeetCode? Of course, bro. They are now part of LeetCode, bro. After a few days, they will be the problem of the day, bro. Hey, I came across your channel yesterday and decided to delete Insta and download LeetCode in mobile. Good decision. Let me show you my home screen. Let me show you my home screen. Chat. This is what a leetcode gooner has there as their home screen, bro. This is what your home screen should look like if you're actually grinding. Look at this. Look at this, bro. This is what your home screen should look like. आजकल के juniors बहुत streaming करने लगे हैं. What do you mean? The fuck you nerd? Yeah, come on. This is not nerd, bro. Your project, okay. Yeah, my project, okay. Basically, I have not launched it yet. I'll probably deploy it by next week. And I want you and me, we all use this so that people who say, I can't stay consistent, I can't stay consistent. This would be a project wherein you and I will be filling in daily logs and we'll review it every weekend. When I stream, I'll start streaming 30 minutes early or maybe after the contest. But we will review how did your week go, how did my week go, and what did we... Just look at this now. See, I'm yet to add a log for today. Score, give yourself a score for your current day, write an optional note, and that's it. If we stay consistent at the end of the day, at the end of the year, it would be a colorful heat map explaining your entire day, entire year. You can choose any date. Like if I choose May, this was my note. 6 out of 10 day. Life is super boring. I don't know why was I even born. What did I write? Good things that happened today. Solve my first digit DB question. Okay. Went for a run today. Okay. Had a weekend mango shake. इसके अलावा तो अब weekend is gonna have to return to office. Okay, bro. I'm weird, but now I'll be focusing on filling in my progress daily. We can keep a weekly priority here, and then fill our progress. That okay. My weekly priority was learn digit DB. This day I did this. This day I did this. This day I did this. And on the weekend we'll just review each other's progress, bro. Like a community. How does that sound, bro? How does that sound? This isn't a crazy project, but it's all just built by community. 500 hacker band. 500 hacker band. Let me see. Let me see 500 hacker band or not. Oh, yes they were. Yes they were, bro. My rank is 4.5k. After so many days, I'm under 5k, bro. After so many days, bro. After so many days. Good, bro. Thank you, brother. Thank you. In which company you're working? Bro, I'm working in ion trading. You can just deploy it now. Nah, bro. Right now, I want to add another feature wherein at the start of every week, you give yourself a weekly priority so that you can keep track. कि मैंने weekly priority दी कि I need to learn segment trees. And then in every log, you would have to answer your question. How is your weekly priority going? So that I am forced to write कि मेरे को इस हफ्ते segment tree सीखना था. Did I actually learn or not? And in the end, the actual good part is every weekend, you and we will both review each other's profile. You can search up any profile on this website. So we can see कि इसकी priorities कैसी चल रही है versus mine. And we all can just stay consistent. Any alternate site to enter? I don't think so, bro. I don't think so. I don't think so, bro. इसमें भी hacker होते हैं क्या, bro? Of course, bro. It's the cheaters who gets banned. Community की बात है ना करता है इसी. What is bro saying? What is bro saying? Bro, wish me luck. I have interview Monday. Talha coach. I wish you all the best, bro. Hope you get that job. Hope you get that job. Everybody play for Talha coach. Explain your third question logic, please. I have go rewind a bit, bro. Rewind a bit. We can make model app and add wedginess Sienna. You? What is bro saying? What is bro saying? Bro, college में तो Infosys आने वाली है next month and I'm scared and nervous and I'm not confident that I'll be able to solve at least 1 out of 3 questions because I'm hearing the question would be hard. Infosys questions are super hard. I don't think so. I should say this officially, but since they are super hard, you should dash. I can't say it, bro. I can't say it. L, open your code forces profile. Bro, my code forces profile. Who wants to see my code forces profile? Okay, bro. Let me show my code forces profile. This guy asked me about my code forces profile. Code forces, Budist. Budist has never given a contest on code forces, but he has solved 105 problems. I solved it majorly during my third year, bro. During my third year in 2020. Not even my third year? Yeah, start of my third year, it looks like. Yeah, I was consistent, but then I broke and shifted to lead code, bro. Who knows, if I stayed consistent on code forces, bro, imagine what would have happened. What would have happened if I stayed consistent on code forces, bro? I'm specialist in CF. Congratulations, bro. I just saw the logs. The time at which you tried generating got a lot of traffic. Oh, okay, bro. Makes sense. Ghost race contest is easy for a good-rated person. It's definitely not super tough, bro. It's definitely not super tough. Yellow फिर से पढ़ो. Hey, you didn't give contest today. What was the toughness level? Have a written test for 18 LPA component money. First of all, Divjot, congratulations for being specialist. Second of all, good luck for that 18 LPA written test. Third of all, today's contest was okayish. I hope I answered everything. You would have been in Google. Yeah, come on. Come on. How many you solved today? 3. Chat, do we want to do a mogul and end the stream, bro? I feel like today my hair at least looks good, so I might win a few mogul. How can I improve in DS? I really need some advice. You just gotta stay consistent, bro. Just brute force your way to improvement. Stay consistent. Staying consistent is the brute force. Omogle. Do we want to do Omogle, bro? Do we want to do Omogle? Does anyone want to do Omogle? I'm good today, bro. Allow. Align face. Done. Okay. Anybody want to Omogle, bro? Go in mogging anyone? Okay, Pradeep. If you've got guts, join, bro. Customs. 1v1 against a friend. Create a room. Go to this website, omogle.com, and join this room. Stop cheek biting. I was not cheek biting, bro. Just because I'm a chat live. I was not cheek biting, bro. Stay consistent, bro. Code लिखना नहीं आता. कुछ नहीं पता तो क्या करे, bro? Bro, then सीखो. Then सीखो. Then सीखो. I'm sorry that sounds stupid, but लिखना नहीं आता तो then you gotta learn it, right? What do you think? Do I tell you a secret? I'm sorry, Aman, bro. There is no secret. Aman or whosoever. Ask that. Devakar Pathak, bro. I'm sorry. There's no secret. Look at my old streams. I used to read editorials like a dumbass man. Because I didn't know them. Is anybody joining, bro? Is anybody joining? Bro, nobody joined. Nobody joined. Start looks maxing. Chill. Chill. Can you please stop doing that? Bro, I really like this Omogle thing, bro. What things he gonna what is algo? He's gonna pull lead code baddie. Imagine if I could do that, bro. Life would be so good if I could find a woman that does lead code, bro. Imagine, bro. Imagine. Hold on. Anybody joining, bro? Yeah, you guys are goddamn scared, bro. You guys are goddamn scared. Hairline maxing again. Chill, bro. Chill. Chill. My hairline is. Tomorrow I might go to dermatologist, bro. I'm not even joking. I might go to a dermatologist tomorrow. I'll tell you guys how it happened the next week. Bro, ain't nobody joining? Okay. Okay. I guess. Bro, really? Scribble time now. We're not playing Scribble. Did you approach anyone else? Should I say it, bro? Should I say it? Should I say it? Okay. You know what? Let's actually, since nobody is joining Omogle, let me just say, Divjot asked me, did you approach anyone else in Metro now? Okay, bro. Okay. The answer is yes. Host no longer connected. Yeah, bro, I left. More like, did you scare some more women in Metro? Very funny. Very funny. So the answer is yes, bro. I did. And at this point, I'm getting more and more confidence, bro. And this time, last time I approached a woman, she said, I had a man and whatever bullshit. Watch the last stream for that story time. This time when I did, guess what, bro? We did actually get our Instagram, bro. Bro, don't forget to send me VC after stream LinkedIn. Oh, of course. Sorry, brother. Sorry. I would. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. This is a loop. Once you start doing it, exactly, brother. Exactly. I just did it, but at this point, it's not worth it, bro. Like, I'm just bad at texting, bro. I'm just bad at texting. I might talk a lot face to face, but on texting on Instagram, bro, it's just boring, bro. Tell the whole thing. Okay, bro. Okay. So let me tell you how it happened. Let me go to Excalibur. This is the point wherein I approached a random woman in metro. How it happened and how I got her Instagram. Let me show you. Let me show you. Okay. So this is the metro coach, right? I've zoomed in. This is the metro coach. This is the gate. I enter from here. There is a 7-seater seat here at metro. I enter from here. She's sitting here, right? She's sitting here. And these two are women's seat. And for some reason, there was a man that was sitting right next to him. When I entered, I saw she was sitting, but there was a man sitting, so I was like, okay, never mind. But as soon as the seat got empty here, that cunning man stood up from here and ran to the seat so that he can sit on a normal seat, and I am forced to sit on the women's seat, which I did. And this time I was pretty confident, bro. This time I was pretty confident, which I did. I sat next to her. This was a woman's seat. And then I replied to a few Twitter messages. I was talking to some people on Twitter. And then I just straight up approached her, bro. It's not that tough, bro. It's not that tough. It's not that tough, bro. Heist, Professor Sharma. Yeah, bro. It's not. Bro, sharing the same story on every stream for TRP. Yeah, Arijit, brother. Arijit Paul 2888. When was the last time you shook hands with a woman? Be honest. Be honest, bro. When was the last time you shook hands with a woman, bro? शैतान ये हो जाता है कभी कभी. What is bro saying? Tell the conversation. Bro, this time it was pretty cool, bro. I was not as nervous as I was the first time. I was like, bro, I can't lie. You look really pretty. What's your name? And guess what, bro? As soon as I compliment her, she started playing with her hair. She was like, hi. And, like girls do it, bro. They start playing with their hair and all that, bro. That's when I thought that it's a goal. It's a goal. Fumble ho jata hai, bro. Nah, bro. We don't fumble with women. वही लड़की थी क्या? Nah, bro. Why would it? That was. What are you guys talking about? अपनी Instagram देखो एक WhatsApp interesting memes I have. Bro, it's there in the channel description. You can join me. Straight up lies. Yeah, these guys would never talk to a woman. Think I am lying, bro. Think I am lying. Yeah, bro. You've never talked to a woman. Jatin, bro. And now you're telling it. Did you tell her about your YouTube channel? Imagine you watching. Nah, bro. I did not. That's why I can tell to you guys. Why would I tell about my channel to a random woman? And she was a law student, so she has no relation with BTech, bro. No relation with BTech. 0/10 obviously itna confidence. Bro, you guys are such big misogynistic people, bro. That's crazy. Arijit, bro. What is Arijit saying, bro? What is Arijit saying? Loser? Yesterday? What is this guy saying? Bro, in your project, which checks how many times does the person switches tab in between contests? Did you get that about tab switch? Did you get that about the tab switch? Yes. How did you get that? Bro, that's the leetcode event in their graph. That's something leetcode tracks themselves, bro. That's something leetcode tracks themselves. I'm just publishing that data. Bro's ready to deploy, but he's not getting everyone. Oh, okay. Her name. Why would I tell you her name? Are you stupid? GeoGuessr. Okay, bro. Let's go. Shall I take my leave? Shall Monday call if I get the interview here? All the best, bro. All the best to Divjot, brother. All the best. Let's do GeoGuessr and end it. Oh, not GeoGuessr. Free guesser. Open guesser, sorry. Open guesser, bro. Let's do an open guesser. Let me cook some people. And let's then just end the stream, bro. Okay. Yeah, play game. What's worse, losing rating or losing virginity? Why would losing virginity be worse, bro? Are you stupid? Are you stupid? Menu, host. We want a 7-round Round length would be 40 seconds. Famous places. Okay, let's do famous places. No teams. Create room. Finished. Copy link. Okay, bro. Join this. Join this. बड़े आदमी बन गए माही. The fuck is bro saying? Yeah, Arijit bro, if you cheat, then I can't do anything. If you cheat, then I can't do anything. Okay, we have 3 people. Join bro. Did I? Let me pin the link. We have 6 people. Let's wait for 10. Or are 10 people going to even join? बड़ा तो इनका forehead बन जाता है. What do we even say to this guy? 8, 9, and one more, bro. Delhi Metro. What is that name? 11. Okay, we are starting. By the way, your height. Okay, I'm 6'5". I'm 6'5". I'm 6'5". I'm starting, bro. Let's go. What the hell is this? What the hell is this? Jagala, Kember Sihan? Oh, is this Sri Lanka or Cambodia? Bro. What? This might be somewhere in Burma or... I don't know, bro. Bells. What is this, bro? Arijit Paul with the cheating, bro. Who did Jaipur, bro? What the dumbass human? Bangladesh, bro. Arijit is cheating again, bro. Okay. Bro, what are these places? I've never been to this place, bro. Wait, it's not loading for me. This looks somewhere in crepes. Oh, they eat crepes in France. Crepes. I don't know what. Ox de dure dame. Oh, that's France. Damn, I gotta be fast. That's actually somewhere near Versailles. Ooh! Delhi Metro woman. Bro is just doing random guesses at this point, bro. Bro is just doing random guesses at this point. Bro, I'm fucking trying famous places. Cry a river. Okay. Oh, this is that. This is in Peru. Or I forget this every goddamn. I forget this stupid thing every goddamn time, bro. Chal, I can't guess it because I've never been to this place, but this is somewhere in South America. This is probably... Bro, I don't know. Peru, bro. Is this Cajamarca? Cajamarca. It might be Peru or... Arijit Paul with the cheating again. Bro, law student? Yeah. Okay. I'm not even in the top 3. Is this London? No, this is Turkey, right? What the hell is... Who is this? I don't know. Shit, I'm doomed in this. Istanbul. Nah, it's Europe, bro. It's somewhere in Europe. Bro, shit. I lost, bro. I lost. What are these? These are not famous places, bro. I chose the wrong map. Jane Street? Is that Jane Street, bro? Is this New York? Hold on. Hold on. Move, you dumbass. Hold on. This is New York, bro.